Welcome, friends. Let's make your PowerPoint presentation 10x stronger. Don't forget to subscribe. Come on, let's get into the video. Go to the Insert tab, and then select the shape icon and choose the round rectangular shape. And do like this using the dot in the shape. Then, let's duplicate the shape using Ctrl+D. And arrange the shape like I am doing. Make the shapes one smaller and one larger in size. And arrange well. Then select all the shape using Shift. And go to Shape Format and group them all. Then, right-click in the mouse and go to Format Shape. Then choose the Picture and Texture Fill option. Click the Insert dot, and select the picture from your computer. Make sure your shape has no outline. If it has, remove it like I am doing. And adjust the shape if you want. And go to the Insert tab and get a text box and fill your content in the text box. Then use some modification if you want. Then use some background modification like adding some shapes and add light colors and make the shape smaller and larger. And arrange them well. And change the background color and reduce the transparency as I am doing. Finally, our slide is ready. Then check out the playlist to make your presentation more attractive. Leave the comment about the presentation. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.